I was so confused which course I have to choose. My 12th result had just came.
Firstly, congratulations for your board exam result. And why are you so confused? You have been a brilliant student throughout your life. Okay, tell me, which course do you want to enroll in?
I might think BSc, but I think it's not good.
BSc is a great option, but I think I can tell you something better than this.
And what?
After 12 with PCB and PCM, students are often want to make their career in medicine field, but don't want to give NEET. So for that, I can tell you two courses. That is pharmacy. Have you ever seen a doctor writing a prescription? You take the medicine and you get it. So give a thought, who makes this medicine?
No, I don't know.
The answer is a pharmacist. A pharmacist is responsible for the manufacturing, research, development of any drug.
Great, but how would I become a pharmacist?
Yes, that's a great question. A student with PCB or PCM, 50% aggregate, can do pharmacy courses. That is B Pharma, which is a 4-year degree-oriented course, while D Pharma is a 2-year diploma course.
Good, but which college or university to choose?
Yes, that's a main question, because every student wants a university or college which is top-notch infrastructure, offers best faculty and also co-curricular activities.
Great.
And currently I am studying at Bhagwant University in B.Pharm and I am loving it. The campus is so vast, top-notch infrastructure, best faculties, and our classrooms are designed with smart classes to give you visualized knowledge. And you know what? In pharmacy, the practical knowledge is very important than theoretical knowledge. So you want the laboratories to be set up very well. And in our universities, the laboratories are set up according to the guidelines of PCM.
Wow.
But wait, before approaching to any university for pharmacy courses, you must check that it should be PCI approved. Because our university has approval from PCI, that is Pharmacy Council of India.
Great, but what about other activities? I love dancing.
I know, students are very often in today's generation towards co-curricular activities. So our university gives you a perfect balance between academia and co-curricular activities. As we offer sports, week, fests, day celebrations, dancing, singing, debate and many competitions. So you can explore in many things in co-curricular activities too.
Amazing.
And let me tell you that we also share foreign collaborations with universities like Yale University of USA. So you can also make your career internationally.
Amazing. Now surely join me at Bhagwant University only.
That's the spirit and I know you will love it.